kilometers are also there for reducing. That's a challenge for the Indian Railways, and we have to look for, nurture other star commodities. For example, container, for example, automobiles, and the cash cow which is going to remain would be the steel, the iron ore, etc. So therefore, we can't neglect those sectors also. Next. These are all the various steps which we have taken for encouraging or for increasing the capacity of coal transportation. Next. These are all the steps. I will share the presentation. I am not going to take more time. Then the initiatives taken by railways to augment. Next. Next. These are the initiatives we have taken. What are the projects we have recently commissioned on the various railways? This list is there. And primarily keeping the coal transportation in mind. In fact, I would like to share that this year, 2021-22, the maximum allocation in capital has been there for infrastructure development, 2,15,000 crores. This is the highest one historically. Next. 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 And these are the projects which are in progress for like Rampur Hard, Murarai in progress, third line, fourth line, development of new line at Dumka goods sheds for coal loading. Next. Then the upcoming projects over Eastern Railway to facilitate coal transportation. You can just go through that. Then the coal transportation through the DFC. Next. And these are giving you the target date of completion of the various sections, East-West corridor, North-South corridor, and the work has been accelerated. PM is personally monitoring the project. What are the problems? As I mentioned, our problem is the biggest constraint would be the production during the bad weather, especially on the eastern side. We have to do something about it because for 2 to 3 months, the production just slumps. I came over here in August, and August, September, October, 3 months I was miserable. I had been speaking to Coal India Limited, but they couldn't also do anything. But we have to get out of that mess over a period of time. Next. Then the quality of loading from the mines. So many of our rakes get stuck in our terminals because you see, when you are loading coal, that contractor also loads boulders and stones with it. And then you see, while unloading, the rake doesn't get released. Every day, every 4 hours, I get a position. How many rakes are moving on my coal rakes are moving on my system? How many are held up in our terminals for unloading? And what is the reason? And 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 rakes every 4 hours is boulder, stone. And more than 24 hours it is taking for unloading. Next. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It has been a proud privilege to be in this forum. And I assure you that railways will leave no stone unturned to cater to the demand of the coal industry. We have to work hand in hand, shoulder to shoulder to address this challenge of 1 billion logistics of coal movement. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Vora. They were very encouraging words for the coal producer as well as the public at large, that Indian Railway is very much geared up to move this 1 billion ton of coal production in the next 2 to 3 years to come. So thank you very much. Now, I come to an important event. For this conference, the organizers have brought out a souvenir which shall be now released by the dignitaries on the dais. So may I now request, please.